Hello students, I wanted to record a quick tutorial on how to use Collaborate. For you as a student, you will access Collaborate in a couple of different ways. I am currently right now in a student preview mode here so you can see what it would look like. Most likely you will be going to Tools and then down to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra to access the sessions. You may also find that your instructor puts a link into your weekly lessons or into your content for you to click on to watch a recording. Or your instructor may put a link right in your menu to Blackboard Collaborate. So it could say live lectures, recorded lectures, Blackboard Collaborate. It might say multiple different things, but your instructor will let you know how the best way to get to the Collaborate sessions in your specific course. If it's not via a link, you will come into this Collaborate sessions and you will see maybe one course room, maybe multiple, depending on how your instructor sets it up. They will let you know what course room to go into to view the lecture for the week, to get into the live lecture, whichever it is. When you need to enter a room or course room, you just click on it and you will say join course room, and that will allow you to enter the course room. When you do so, a pop-up will come up and you will type your name if it prompts you to. Once you're in there, you'll see this black screen. There, down at the bottom, you will control your audio, which is right here, your video, and then this button will allow you to raise your hand. Now, if you do not have a webcam or some sort of headset, earbuds with a microphone, you can use your phone for audio. So if you just go up here to the sessions menu, click the three lines, click use your phone for audio, you will get a dial-in and a PIN number. This is specific to you. This links your telephone with your name in Collaborate, so your instructor knows who is talking based on the attendees panel. The other things you can do, like I said, you can raise your hand. I recommend you leave everything muted unless your instructor asks you to do so. Over here in your Collaborate panel, pretty much the only things you will use is you can see in the attendees panel who is here. You can also chat, so if you need to ask a question but don't want to raise your hand, you can do so. The settings will basically help you set up your camera and microphone if you're having issues with it. It again gives you your dial-up and lets you control your speaker volume. That's pretty much all that you would need to do in the Collaborate panel. When your instructor is talking, they will show up right here on this screen. If they are showing a PowerPoint, it will also show up on this screen as well. So you just come in and you just hang tight until your instructor is ready to go. Now, if your instructor is not doing live lectures and instead they are recording them, then you can find those in one of two places as well. You could come into your Collaborate sessions, whether via the tools or a link in your menu, and you go right here to your three lines, which is your menu, and you click on recordings, and you're going to see a recording there. You just simply click on it, watch now, it'll pop up the video, just kind of like a YouTube thing, and you can watch it. You can press play. You can pause it, you can rewind, you can do a number of things. Your instructor may also post a link to this recording directly in your lessons, which is what I was talking about before. So rather than you having to go into the Collaborate recordings sessions page, you would just have in your weekly lesson a link which acts the same as this.